Hello, Pestilence here with another Chinese lock. And as you can see, a lot of detail on the head. There's scales, and on the fins, and the tail, even on here. The other side is plain. It's a rather large lock. Here's the key. I have it in there like that just because it's easier to, there we go. And there is and there's the key right there. It goes in. There's the keyhole. Looks like a coin slot. Goes in like that. And then up inside there. Where it comes in contact with that. And then you have to, and then it squeezes these together. And then you push it out. And there we go. Let's lock it back up. Not really sure how old this one is. I mean, I can guess, but then that's only a guess. I've seen others like this, so I would say that it at the least it's vintage, and otherwise it's probably an antique. From what time period, I don't know. I would have to find somebody that knows a lot more about these than I do. So, hope you found that interesting. Take care. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Bye.